So
Let's get in.
one of the first way that will help you to fund your business is using your personal funds, right?
Right.
So whatever personal funds you have, sometimes it doesn't have to be a lot. There are people who started businesses with as little as $50, $100. Of course, it depends on the type of business you are starting, right? When you start a business, it's always good to start with a business that's not very capital intensive.
Yes.
And that's why I love online businesses, because you can literally start an online business with under $500.
Because there's no overhead.
There's no overhead.
It's not a lot of stock, inventory.
There's none of that.
So you don't have to worry about that. Shipping costs.
Exactly.
It's not there.
Rent, all of this other costs.
Employees.
You don't have to go into all of that. You can use your personal funding. Sometimes you only need the software. You need, that's not all you need most times. Maybe camera lights you can get on Amazon or eBay
Very
to
much
get
so.
started, right?
Yeah.